So hey, in today's video we are gonna do something different actually. Today we are gonna make an AI landing page with the AI prompt, and the prompt will be also written by AI. So this is something crazy we are gonna do today. So stick with me till the end so that I can show you the complete process and how you can do it. So we are using two tools here. One is ChatGPT and other is Google AI Studio. You can also use a Gemini rather than ChatGPT, but I'm just using ChatGPT because it's my personal choice. You can use Claude or DeepSeek, whatever you want. You will find some references actually. So I will go on Pinterest and find some travel websites.
One eternity later.
Okay, so we have downloaded 3 websites from Pinterest. Actually, you can use Behance or Travel, whatever you like. So now we are going to go on ChatGPT and first we will upload those references here. Okay, so now I will write a basic prompt in ChatGPT, and the prompt would be like, so this is just a example we are going to do now. Let's see how it goes. I haven't tried it personally yet. So the prompt is actually ready right now. So we are gonna test it how it gonna work. So let's copy this. So we have copied it, and now we're on Google AI Studio. If you don't have the Google AI Studio, you can just get it from the official website. Links will be provided in the description. So let's paste it, and so I have pasted the full prompt here. Let's see what it makes. Let's build. Damn, it is here. So let's see what it had made. Just we'll do it on screen. So okay, this looks quite good. The space is odd. We can fix it in the prompt actually. Let's see what we can do. So now it's much better. Like I have asked him for a dark mode and the improved font, and it looks quite better than the before, but this space is a bit off for me. It all depends on your prompting, how you prompt, and for a basic prompt this is quite good. So the more references you will provide it, the more better it will generate. So this is just an example video of what you can do with AI and how you can design a website, or you can also design an app with it. If you want it, I will upload quite a complete guide on how to prompt finely or properly so that you can generate a high quality website or app. If you liked it, you know what to do. Just comment your feedback to me so I can improve or do something better. I'm new in content creation, so I hope you will like it. Bye. Thank you.